Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bridgeport local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating a great distance generally means dealing with additional stress and costs, especially if you employ shady movers to help you out. We make every effort to plan our long-distance travels around the needs of our customers. When moving multiple fragile objects across long distances, it's always a challenge. The safety of your possessions will not be a concern when 3 Movers is handling your long-distance move. To prevent damage, we pack, load, and unload these things with great care. Apart from ensuring our clients are comfortable during the long-distance drive to their new home, our courteous drivers will also deliver your belongings on schedule at your new home. Local moves are less time-consuming, less expensive, and less stressful than long-distance ones. Regardless of how crowded the streets are, our drivers are well-versed in the quickest routes to take you to your new home or office in Bridgeport. So, we can get you settled in within a few hours. Every money you spend working with our moving firm will be worth it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bridgeport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.